Hello everyone, my name is Olabanji and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever seen a heading stuck at the bottom of a page or a paragraph that breaks in the most awkward way? Today I will show you two hidden gems in Microsoft Word. Guess what it is? Keep lines together and keep with nest. This will instantly fix those messy page breaks. Here is the rule of thumb. Use keep lines together for paragraph and use keep with nest for headings and titles.
Let's start with keep lines together. Imagine you have a long paragraph and Word decides to break it halfway between the two pages. To stop this, kindly highlight the paragraph. Go to the Layout tab. Click the small arrow under Paragraph Settings. Go to the Line and Page Breaks tab. Check Keep Lines Together. Now, Word will always keep that old paragraph on the same page. No more split sentences. Next is keep with nest. This one is perfect for headings. Have you noticed how sometimes a heading sits at the bottom of a page while the text it belongs to jumps to the next page? That looks unprofessional. Here is the fix. Select the heading. Again, open Paragraph Settings and Line and Page Breaks. Check Keep with Nest. Now your heading will always stay with paragraph that follows. Neat, right?
Master this tool and you will never have broken pages ruining your document again. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hidden word tricks.